Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the 9th day of May, and not quite as cool out here this morning. 58 degrees as I make this at 4:01 a.m., and we have another one of those big bubbles of high pressure in the upper atmosphere over us right now. Usually that means hot weather this time of the year, and hopefully we're not going to see a whole bunch of them this summer because they tend to suppress rainfall. But it looks like we will have some showers and storms as the high breaks down later this week. I have the latest on that Friday storm system. Will it carry over into the weekend? Will there be any strong to severe storms when this gets in here as well? What about the Mother's Day weekend? We'll get into the meat and potatoes now. Here is your Tuesday morning weather briefing. I'm glad you're here.
Strong high pressure along the northern Gulf Coast is going to be continuing to keep us just about cloud-free and dry for a couple of days until the high finally breaks down. In fact, the high is not only at the surface, but way up in the upper atmosphere. Here's 20,000 feet. Big bubble of high pressure, strong right over us and over the entire Gulf South. So mostly sunny, warm today. I think we'll tease 90 degrees for the high temperature. Tonight slowed down to about 62. Westerly winds will be light, 4 to 8 miles per hour. A nice full moon out there tonight. It's in May, it's called the full flower moon, with moonrise at 7:27 in the east tonight, setting tomorrow morning at 5:56 a.m. And then tomorrow will be the hottest day of the year so far. I think we're easily in the lower 90s. It's too early for that. In fact, lower 90s across the southeastern U.S., maybe even some records in a few spots. I see Jacksonville could be up around 94 on Wednesday. We're looking at another hot day on Thursday. I think we're around 90 degrees again. But I think the high will start to break down, and that's going to allow our next frontal system to approach. Much of Friday could be dry, but I think by late Friday afternoon into Friday evening, Friday night, showers and thunderstorms come in, some of which could be on the strong side. We certainly can't rule that out, and we'll be watching that carefully. There's just after midnight on Saturday night, showers and thunderstorms are numerous. Here's the European showing 7 p.m. Saturday night, a little faster with showers and thunderstorms across the area. Not particularly impressive setup on the European. Here's Sunday, Mother's Day. It looks like a great weekend and perfect Mother's Day with high temperatures in the 80s. And the 7-day rainfall potential doesn't look that impressive. Maybe an inch in some parts of Alabama, but most of us should see less than an inch of rain. 92 on Wednesday, near 90 on Thursday. I think we'll be in the mid-80s Friday with showers and thunderstorms by late day and Friday night, and then maybe a leftover shower early Saturday morning, but I think it clears out. 81 the high, 84 on Mother's Day, and the morning low 56, so that'll be the coolest morning. In fact, you can see on the European, again, the warmest day would be Wednesday, but Thursday's right behind it. Then the storm system Friday night, and then the coolest morning would be Sunday morning, which is Mother's Day morning, with temperatures in the 50s. Should be very pleasant before we start to warm up again. Here's the actual numbers on the European. It has 93 tomorrow, and it has us in the mid-50s on Sunday morning with an afternoon high in the mid-80s, so a great Mother's Day forecast. The GFS forecast, again, also showing 93 on Wednesday, and showing the 50s in the morning hours after that frontal system comes through this coming weekend. You know, if you're going to be on the road this weekend, your weather app, our weather app, travels well with you. In other words, if you're going to the beach or the lake, it knows where you are. It gives you the current conditions for wherever you are, plus your hourly forecast and 10-day forecast. It's going to be great to have not only during the summertime wherever you are here, but also on the road. So take it with you and get it on your phone today.
So we'll keep a close idea on the timing of that storm system to see if it slows down and affects any of the weekend forecasts. I'll also have the beach forecast for you tomorrow morning as well. We'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg and Jay and Emily. And I hope you'll join us for that. We always have a great time. And of course, there'll be another video for you tomorrow morning at, usually it's online by about 4:45. All right. I hope you have a great day today, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.